In today's video, I am going to teach you how to autoplay video in Behance. First, upload your video to Vimeo. Using a Plus Pro or business account is recommended because these plans give you full control over embed behavior. Sign in, upload your video, and wait for processing to finish. These tiers also help ensure you have access to autoplay, loop, and background settings, which are essential for a clean background style embed. Next, configure your embed settings on Vimeo. Open your videos page and click the Share button. In the Sharing panel, choose Embed. You'll see Options or a More Options area for customization. Turn on Autoplay and Loop. Many browsers block autoplay with sound. Background mode handles this automatically and removes the usual player controls. Look for a background option if it's available and enable it. If you don't see a dedicated toggle, you can still confirm the parameters in the generated code. Before you copy anything, make sure the embed code includes the correct parameters. In the iframes src URL, ensure you see autoplay phone, loop phone, and background phone. These tell the player to start immediately. Loop continuously and display as a clean background visual without UI elements. If one of those is missing, adjust the options in the panel or add the parameter value of 1 in the query string so it's included. Now you are ready to add this to Behance. Copy the customized iframe code from Vimeo. Head to your Behance project editor on desktop for the smoothest experience. In the editor, choose the Embed Media option. Paste the iframe code exactly as you copied it. Then click Embed. You should see your video load right inside the project layout and play automatically. If it doesn't autoplay, double-check that the parameters are present and that your Vimeo plan supports those settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.